Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you guys how you can get your clock app back on your iPhone. Well, sometimes when your clock app is mistakenly deleted, you'll be facing these kind of problem. For example, I'm going to simply remove this app from my home screen, tap on remove from home screen. Just like this, it is not on my home screen anymore. So now what you're going to do is get to your app library just like this. And here under the utilities option right here, tap on it, you'll get the clock application. If you want this back on your home screen, you can long press on it and simply drag this tool back your home screen just like this. Here you can see clock is on my home screen, but if you can't find it under the utilities, you can again get to the app library, tap on the search bar right here, and then start typing clock. Here you can see I have found the clock application, and from here you can drag this by long pressing on it, dragging it back to your home screen just like this. But even in the search bar, if you are not being able to find the clock application and mistakenly you have simply, sometimes delete the application permanently, you can see clock application is now deleted. Now you will be able to get back your clock application by simply getting to your app store. Open your app store application. From here, tap on the search bar, start typing clock, tap on search. Here you can get the clock application right here. You can see clock application is this. Tap on it. And you can see this is by Apple. So this is the official clock application of Apple. Tap on this cloud-like icon and reinstall this application. Here you can see tap on open, and just like this, here you can see I have successfully added my clock back. And in here you can see in the recently added there is the clock application. If I want this on my home screen, again long press on it and drag it to the home screen just like this and add it right here. So even after doing all of this, if it's still not working, then you might want to reset your network settings, for which you'll have to get to the settings of your phone. And from settings, tap on general. And from general, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And from here, tap on reset. Then tap on reset all settings. And then you'll have to enter your passcode of your phone, just like this. And then tap on reset all settings. Then all of your settings will be resetted to default. So you will be able to find your clock application, hopefully. And if it's still not working, then you might want to simply try to update your phone, for which again you can get to the settings, and from here we'll get to the main settings. From here, tap on general and then tap on software update. After doing that, here you can see I have a update. So you can simply tap on update now if you want to update it now or update tonight, and like that you'll be able to successfully update your phone, and hopefully you'll be able to get your clock application back. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.